The Regional Democratic Alliance (RDA), comprising the UDP and HSPDP, has decided to continue the alliance for the upcoming MDC elections to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Speaking after the meeting, RDA Chairman Met Barlingdon confirmed that both parties will field their respective candidates with no cooperation in different MDC constituencies. He assured that the alliance unity remains strong, with both parties set to announce the candidates soon.
Hakabai day bakani ke MDC election menta kabalakum kuno karkum ka jingtip ka bangi don ba dang abstang ya ka jing menjur na kalian jongku lat jong ka jelat ya ka tarik ban pelong election di kijing pengkre ya election wilayah cakmak na kalian jong baru ada lagi political party batang skam kino kiwe ki political party kunjung tinggi lah isim ya kerai hakabai day bakani ke election menta na kalian ke UDP ninyai bet haka party level pada kalian ke HSPDP rum kan nyai haka party level kemensim jong ke jingetre hapo jong ka adi kandang beteng kumma ka beteng poros kata haduk benta bat nani sekmat rum kunjung.